let's have a look at another function that we've included within this pack. One that I'm actually going to show you is what we call sales order processing history. And what this actually allows you to do is to look at the history of previous orders that you put through at the point where they've actually gone to be invoiced. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose the option again from the action button, and this one is called SOP history. So as soon as I choose that option, you can now see a list of all the history with this particular client. So it's based at the point when everything has been invoiced. So what you'll see is if we just look at the three top entries we've got here relating to invoice 3913, they actually purchased on the 8th of April 2022 small car mats, medium car mats and large, and you can see the quantity and obviously the sale price they had and also what the cost price was at that moment in time. Great thing about this is you may get a client that suddenly rings up and says, oh, I actually bought a product from you some time ago. So what you're able to do is just choose this option, and then obviously you can see the products that they previously bought from you. The other thing also is some people do post some sales invoices via the sales ledger. So apart from this looking at sales order processing, I'll just take you immediately just down to the bottom because there was an entry that I prepared earlier. And if we just come down to the bottom, you can see here was an invoice that I'd actually posted directly to the sales ledger. So I went into the sales ledger, I choose the option invoice. Some instances, some clients do post those sort of entries. So it might be a charge that they want to make to a client. So what you're able to see, it's not only just looking at the sales order processing that we've got, but it's also looking at any sales invoices that we may have posted manually. An absolute great tool to use. Hopefully should help you with a little bit more detail, where you get some of those inquiries from the clients that are saying, I bought a product from you at a particular stage in time, so we're able to see that. Well, I'm just going to show you another area of this. I'm just going to choose this BMW X5 M50D. And if I highlight the line, if I just go to the action button here, I've got what we call zoom. So if I just go to zoom, what you will see is various information populated that's relating to this particular product. So again, if we've got things like comments on there, we had a different delivery address, and will also tell us obviously what the PDF, i.e. the invoice image that was used for that. Okay, I think quite a useful tool for most people. And again, this is one of these things that by hook or by crook, you can get it through Opera, but there's various places that you would need to go. So offering this in here actually just brings everything under one roof.